How you like that? You gon' like that? How you like that?
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are seeing me for the first time, so hello, welcome to my family. Today I am back again with another exciting review. So today I am going to give a review on the Biotic Bonnie Mountain Serum. So this is the packaging of the serum, guys. And guys, most of the products of Biotic comes in a cardboard packaging like so. It's the same as the others. So you have to know that what is mountain ebony. So mountain ebony is the hardwood tree that is well known for its astringent and antibacterial properties. Ebony is well known for curing certain skin diseases and for facilitating the hair growth, giving you a healthy scalp. Now let's talk about the packaging. So this is the box, outer box, and all the Biotic products come in a certain box like this. This is the product. So this is my second purchase, and you can see that I have not used that much. As you can see, it comes in a bottle packaging like this with a green colored cap on top, and there is a hole like this over here which dispenses the right product, and hence it prevents the wastage. Now come to the topic of the fragrance. It smells amazing. It is not highly scented or something. I just hate strong fragrances, but this particular serum has not that kind of fragrance. The fragrance of this product is very mild and it is not strong, and I like that because I don't like the strong fragrances. So the person who are allergic or they are finicky about the smell, so don't worry guys, this is a perfect product. The thing that I feel about this serum is that as the name suggests that it is a serum, but it's not a serum, it is a tonic. The texture of the serum is completely watery and it can't be called as a serum because the consistency of serums are a little bit thicker than this. This is a liquid form. It comes in a liquid form, so you can rather call it as a water tonic. Guys, if you want to check the ingredient list, you will get the ingredient list both in the bottle packaging and the outer box packaging right here. And this particular serum retails for 185 rupees only, and it really does great work. And again, I purchased this product from Nykaa. As you can get it from their Biotic, from the site Biotic, and from purple.com, from Amazon, anywhere you can purchase this product. And guys, you can get good discounts on this product when it comes on sale, so you know this product becomes even cheaper. The best thing about this product is you can apply it on your scalp and along your length of your hair, and this serum is non-oily and non-greasy, hence it won't feel sticky, and hence you can apply it any time you want. And if you are, suppose you're going out and your hair is not manageable, it's frizzy, so you can just take 2 to 3 drops on your palm and you can just lather it on your hair and apply, and you are good to go. And another best thing I would like to include that this serum, after the application, you don't have to wash your hair. You can just go like that, and rather I would like to call it as a leave-on tonic. This serum is particularly made for the itchy scalp, so I do have itchy scalp, irritating scalp, so this is a good serum to apply for the itchy scalp people, hence it will remove the dandruff. As I really can't say that it really does promote hair growth, but it will tend to it will lessen down your hair fall. That's what it does, and it makes your scalp less itchy, soothing and calm, so you will get a healthy scalp after the application of this product. Anyone can apply this product from dry to oily scalp, and even the sensitive scalp people, because you won't get any rashes after the application of this product. So let's talk about the application. All you have to do is you have to pour it on your hair. So what I does that I just take it and I just pour directly to my hair. I just don't use my palms that much, because you know when you pour this product on your palm, so this is a watery tonic, I said liquid tonic, so it runs here and there. So what I like to do is I just apply it directly and then I gently massage my scalp for 5 minutes, and then you are good to go. That is something I do for my scalp, and obviously for the length of your hair you have to use your palm. So let's recall all the points regarding this. This product is travel friendly, it is non-sticky, non-oily, and it has reduced my hair fall amazingly. It feels soothing after the application, and I rather would call it as a hair tonic, liquid tonic, because it's watery in consistency and it is non-tacky, and guys, it has no preservatives in it. And it has some cons too. So first, it does not promote the hair growth, and second, it has a misleading name, that is hair serum. As I said that I would like to call it as a hair tonic but not a hair serum. Forgot to mention that the product, so like this, and it has 120 ml of product, guys, and it is a super deal because you are getting 120 ml of product just for rupees 185, and it's a bonus when you are getting the discount. So grab this one. And now it's time for my opinion about this product. If you are looking for something to reduce your hair fall, calm your itchy scalp, reduce the dandruff, then just go for this particular hair tonic, guys. So this was my quick review on the Biotics Bio Mountain Ebony Serum. So guys, go and grab it. What are you waiting for? So guys, this was my short review on Biotics Bio Mountain Ebony Hair Serum. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below and share your opinions whether you have used it and what are your experiences regarding this product. And I hope that you have liked this video, and for more such contents, subscribe to my channel and hit the icon beside it, and make sure to hit that so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. And guys, thank you for watching.